Hi, hello. Over here is going to nighttime. It's 6 o'clock in Thailand. So I'm gonna say good evening. So this is gonna be the last video about how to build. Today is explain on the air system for the air suspension. But anyway, so the next video gonna be on the ground for riding show. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm gonna show the system, explain a little bit on the schematic here. Okay, here's a schematic. Now let's see how to bring it. Okay, there we go. The air system, you know, it have a tank and a pump, which is the same as you have the compressor air system, but the only difference is I make manifolds, and we have a simple safety valve, so it means overpressure release. The pump is have the check valve or one-way valve to pump the air, the arrow into the tanks and the air out from the manifold. And we have the pressure gauge here, which is installed next to the driver, and this is a T connection. So everything here is a 1 by 4 inch. So, and the OD is about, the flexible hose is about 8 mm, and controlled by 2 solenoid. One is for the pump the air in to the airbag to going up, and this one is down, release to the silencer. That's about it. Let's see the little thing, see how it looks. Okay, let's take a look. This is the air tank. I got this one from, the guy who say on the builder they used to have for the mini bike gasoline tank, or you can use the engine oil reservoir. Anyway, I use this one, and here I have the cap. The cap, as I have cut the rubber tie, and working pretty good, making no leak. And this is a fitting, the manifold, and the green hose is they pump the air in, so they don't need to worry about the pressure. So in here I have the a filter, because in Thailand, the particle PM 2.5 a lot, and then I need to do that too. And this is, don't need to install anything, just cable tie. So, and the manifold have right here, and this is safety valve release as a whole spring, and on this one is a BMS. Anyway, when the air come out and go to the T connector, and T connector, the one go to the solenoid, which is go to the Y connector, and the air travel to the pump, to the airbag, and expand up. And this is when this solenoid is on, I mean the air from the back is released to silencer. And I got some of the, you guys said, hey, you need to have the speedy valve, because when they release they have to be slowed down. And then yeah, it's work. So anything you say. Okay, here's the pressure gauge. So I didn't really use the yellow zone here, not working. It means it's working zone for the airbag is working, and this is not working on standby. And I'm pretty sure they go to 100, but I never use that one. I'm still not sure. But this is a switch 12 volt to pump, so I have go baby go switch to make sure don't turn on by accident. But anyway, you can turn on, it doesn't matter, because I have a pressure on. This is DC high volt, and this is switch for up and down, up and down. Up it means you pull in up. So I want to use the same as the airplane. Okay, let's go ahead. So I'm gonna turn on my BMS system. You can hear beep and see the power on, yeah, and then see the battery, right? And then we go back to the pump because now we don't have any air left, so we need to pump it up. So we pump it up quite quick because the air tank is small. It's only 1.5 gallon, right? Yep. I'm gonna stop at the somewhere around here, 70. And see, it's a little bit checking on the frame, but I use the rubber wrap around on the connection, so you don't need to worry about that. So, okay, so about that. And then I'm gonna control this one. I'm gonna back the camera so you guys can see clearly on up and down style on the bike. Okay, further a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So here is going up. That's gonna be the max. Okay, this is our pack. I used to ride this one before. It's very smooth, you know. It's not like spring. It is the air. It's like you have a floating, you know, magic carpet, stuff like that. So, okay, release. You can see a little bit slow down, but if you sit on it, you have a way to push. But this is you know, no load, so it's gonna be a little bit slow. See? Oh, smooth, right? Yeah, thank you for the friend to recommend to put the speedy valve. Okay, up and down. Very nice. Up. I think it's for 70 psi you can have to play like 4-5 times to enjoy it. So imagine you ride this one, park in front of the you know, 7-Eleven, you buy something, you know, people look at you, you just pop it up, and you know, by the time you know, you want to jump out, you kickstand, you release, and they go falling down. People say, what the heck? Yeah, how cool is that? And this already cool because it's an electric bike, you know. Show you the brake light. It's cool. Yeah. So this is a 13-inch wheel, which is a compact car, and 214, and this is a 140 wide and 13-inch and 60 is a series here. So it's pretty cool. I mean, this is a kind of like a wow factor. It's wow factor. Electric is another wow factor, and we have the battery about 20 amp with the smart BMS. You can program by using the iPhone app to the YouTube Bluetooth. Sorry, and you get the Legos. Yeah, see, or the LED stuff, and both side brake light, the front brake light, the headlamp. Everything perfect, you know, working fine. So I got this one cheap. Basically, the frame is from the Honda Monkey. It's very cheap, and the front is the Honda Wave, and the headlamp and the tail light is from China, AliExpress. You know, about $20 cheap. And everything perfect, running perfect, you know. And what else? I think it's about this. And in the front, I have the what they call it, when the wheel is turned, I have the POV. POV is a point of the persistence of the vision. So it means when your wheels turn, they get a picture. It's kind of cool. Just you know, try to show the point of the electric because it's no sound. You need to have something for people to look at it. And the tanks. The first thing I should use this tank for the air, but it's too late. I already drilled it. I don't want to patch it. And this is the ammeter that I have. This is from the Honda Jazz 50, which is pretty cool. In the disc brake front, disc brake back, and some of the friends don't like the handlebar. I'll try to try next week the new one. So the handlebar will be another one to test, but it should be done for system today because I'll took it out the tank and the seat out just for the video today after we finish the installation everything. So this is my glass hopper, electric glass hopper, and this gonna show. It's for the show bike for the competition. They call the Bangkok Custom Bike Competition. I don't know I can get the first round or not. I'll just submit. I don't think if they don't like it, because many people don't understand what kind of creation look like. Okay then, I think it's you guys should happy, right? Thank you very much for your watching. There's many of the friends follow me. This is on the YouTube. I'm not a YouTuber, but I want to share my knowledge, and this is my hobby. I'm the computer engineer, so I'm not the mechanical engineer. So if you see something is not right, let me know, and I'll try to fix it. But so far, the ride is run. This ride is perfect. Okay then, have a good day. Bye bye.